The top 3 natural antibiotics you can get from food. The top 3 naturally occurring antibiotic foods are garlic, oregano, and ginger. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is a very powerful natural antibiotic. Researchers today have found that garlic can be an effective treatment for many bacterial infections, including Salmonella, E. coli and the common cold. Number 2. Oregano. Studies have shown that oregano is among the most effective natural antibiotics, particularly when it is made into an oil concentrated at a high level. And number 3. Ginger. Researchers at top universities now recognize that ginger is a robust natural antibiotic. Several studies have demonstrated its ability to fight off many strains of bacteria. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below if you want to see more videos like this. See you later.